Today is August 14th, and I have another message from the aliens. I'm an interdimensional communicator, and today I'm going to share a few more details about the interstellar object called 3i Atlas and the divine gifts that it's going to be bringing in. But first, 3 bullet points that the aliens wanted me to clarify. Number 1, 3i Atlas is not hostile. There will be no attack. It's not even coming close to Earth. 3i Atlas will stay far away on the opposite side of the sun from us. It's going to come extremely close to several planets, but Earth is not one of them. Second, the interstellar object 3i Atlas is not going to come close enough to Earth for us to see it with our eyes, but the motherships will. If you've been following me for a while now, you already know that the aliens have been telling me for months that they will be sending multiple motherships distributed all around the Earth to help us understand the truth about humanity and the planet and to support our transition to new Earth. These ships will not land. They will not take anyone inside. They're just going to stay stationary in the sky over mountains and water and other unpopulated areas. They're going to help us from a distance. Now, the timing of this is not known. And again, I'm not saying anything about timing today. The aliens already gave us 3 estimates this year that they asked me to share with you, and they missed all 3. And I'm not going to give you another one. But here's what's important. The Galactic Federation, which is the governing body of the entire cosmos, tells me that with each of those 3 attempts, which again was January, March, and June, they learned something new about Earth and humanity and themselves. And they tell me that 3i Atlas is the solution developed from that learning. Which brings me to point number 3 about 3i Atlas. Just as it's going to use physics to counterbalance the motherships from the other side of the sun, it's also going to use physics to impact our consciousness and our latent DNA. It's going to activate the literal plasma, that substance that lights up in our body when we feel our intuition or a gut feeling. It's what enables me to use dowsing rods. It's what's available to each and every one of you to bring in this divine connection and new gifts. This is what the Anunnaki gave us when they enhanced our DNA. But over time, these gifts became suppressed from generations of us being told that magic isn't real. Now is when we break away from that fiction and remember what was always true. We all have the potential for divine gifts. And now in this clip, you're going to see me channeling the consciousness of Gaia as she tells us even more about these divine gifts. Here's that clip.
3i Atlas is coming to help us with our gifts. So it's not just a physical counterbalance for the motherships. It's going to help us with our gifts so that we can counterbalance, quote unquote, by raising our vibration and our frequency. She's saying that if there's anything that you can remember from being a child, maybe you wish you could fly, or you wish you could move things with your mind, or you wish you could read people's minds. She's saying that there is likely a connection between what you used to wish you could do, like that childhood desire. That's a direction you could take your curiosity. If that doesn't work, or if you're like, well, I literally daydreamed about flying like a bird, and I don't think that that's in the realm of possibility, which like, guys like, yeah, no. Then she's saying the next step is to go to the clairs, like clairaudience, clairvoyance, clairsentience. That's the one that describes what I have. Read about what they are. See if something resonates with you. Sometimes our gifts are actually something that we need the most healing. Like that is the healing we need, is the gift that comes in. Your gifts don't come totally out of the blue. There's going to be something that makes sense about it.
So there you go. 3i Atlas and the motherships are coming to help us remember our divine gifts. Nothing is coming that's going to attack us or be hostile in any way. Now, did you daydream about something when you were a kid? Is there a certain clair that you'd really love to develop? Odds are good that that's the area that you might get some superpower up-leveling as this all unfolds. I'll be back again the next time they give me another message from the aliens.